We are now owners of a BT-50 Pajero's gone, and today is going to be my first video of my first installation, which is going to be these Supertrim seat covers. Flat Eric, unfortunately, Flat Eric, you're going to have to move. He takes priority seat there. As usual, I just went for the normal stitching. You can pay a little bit more for a coloured stitch, but the car's grey. Didn't need to spend any more money. Now, there is a left and right for these seats, and that is identified by the back. This little cutout here is for the passenger seat, because on the passenger seat you will see, you've got this little hook. So make sure you put left on left, right on right. They're really well done, because to protect, and so there's no snagging, you put a little cover over the Velcro there, which is quite good. And they were packed really well, good packaging inside there. Not bad, Supertrim. Welcome. Right, as I said, I think I now know what that's for, because there's no other hook and eye on the other end. The back of the chair has a bit of fabric on it. I think that's what that is going to go on. Right, headrest has been removed. I've got the correct one, it's got no hole on it. So let's see if this is easy or hard to get over. Now, they have this little tube here which gets wedged underneath to prevent it from sliding forward. It's like a bit of effort to put that through. You can't see it on the camera, but I was just tucking these little side flaps down past the plastic trim on the car. So this is the bit I was telling you about. You've got a hard plastic trim. So what I'm going to try and do is tuck that in. I'm trying to get it in there, and by using one finger, it's near on impossible. I'm going to have to do it with two hands. Thankfully, I got some trim tools. Help me pop that in. That's what I thought it was. If you look down here, this will come off. And we've got carpet here. So my thoughts are we pull it down and we're using it. Alright, so there's a knack for the headrests. You've got to turn this inside out, and then apparently you roll it on to make sure I've got it the right way around. So put that on. Make sure it's there. And you then roll this down. Headrest. Like so. Velcro, hey presto, roll it down from the inside out. In place. Easy. Next, center console. Hopefully it's not as hard, but nowhere near as tight as the those headrests. Got to feed this little flap down past the hinge. Here it is. Through the hook and eye, hook and hoop, whatever you call it. We also bought the top mat here for the BT-50 Mazda. We got this from Supertrim as well, Supertrim as well, and actually I like it.